13 Sensual ways to kiss your boyfriend. Kissing your boyfriend should never get boring. That's because there are so many ways to kiss your boyfriend to add a little spice to your relationship. Whether you focus on the erogenous zones and give their ear a nibble or try butterfly kisses, remember kisses are fun and natural. Ways to kiss your boyfriend. There are many ways to kiss a guy and scenarios where kissing can add more excitement to your relationship. Here are some kisses to practice together and ways to become an expert kisser. Focus on the erogenous zones. The erogenous zones are areas of the body that respond more to kissing due to the high number of nerve endings. In addition to the mouth and genitals, there are other places that have a heightened sensation when kissed or touched. Both men and women have the same zones, so when you kiss your boyfriend this way, you're also showing him creative places to kiss you. One caution is that some guys will find these areas to be too sensitive or ticklish, so always watch your boyfriend's response for cues that he likes how you are kissing him. Ears. Kissing or licking the earlobes is pleasurable for most guys. You can also whisper or breath softly in your boyfriend's ear while kissing. Fingers. Try kissing fingers on your boyfriend's hands. There are tons of nerve endings here and he'll likely respond positively. Stomach. The navel area is also a turn on when kissed, especially the belly button. Arms. Gentle kisses near the armpits, or in the crook of the arm can be a turn on. Feet. For some people, kissing or touching the feet is very sensual. More ways to kiss. Kissing is an activity that evolves for most couples. From those awkward first kisses to knowing what you like together, kissing is an experience unlike any other. Here are some more sensual ways to kiss your boyfriend. Lip sucking. Instead of just pressing your lips together to kiss, try sucking or gently biting your boyfriend's lips. Try starting with either the lower or upper lip. Closed mouth kissing. In the middle of a kissing session, you can pull back and give your boyfriend some pecks on the lips. This is one way to get him begging for more. Eyelids. With your boyfriend's eyes closed, try to lick or kiss his eyelid. Surprise kisses. Grab your boyfriend and kiss him passionately when he is least expecting it, such as when you're stopped at a red light or when he is leaving for school or work. Kissing in the rain. Toss away the umbrella and try kissing your boyfriend in the rain. The rain running down your faces adds to an amazing sensation. Butterfly kisses. This term refers to fluttering your eyelashes over your boyfriend's skin to kiss him. Eskimo kisses. Gently rubbing your noses together denotes an Eskimo kiss. Ice cube and sweets kiss. Try passing forth an ice cube or a piece of candy as you kiss together. You can also try sweet food items that melt in your mouth, such as chocolate or a marshmallow. Kissing 101. Most couples enjoy the intimacy and connection that comes with kissing. There are many different kinds of kissing, including first kisses, closed-mouth kissing, and French kissing. As an intimate activity, kissing is a nonverbal form of communication for couples and a great way to have fun with your boyfriend. Let it happen naturally. Never try to force kisses on your boyfriend, but as you grow closer as a couple and have more kissing sessions, you'll know how much you can experiment. With a little practice, you can become an unforgettable kisser.